Hello, adventurers, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the Adventures of Atlas. I'm Atlas's dad, Mr. Justin. Can you guess the letter of the day? I'll give you something to ponder. Whoa! I'm playing underneath a colorful parachute. That must mean the letter of the day is P. Let's paddle our way to the letter of the day. Letter P. You know what Oh! Hi, adventurers. Sorry, I didn't see you there. I was so excited getting ready to teach you all about the letter P. Look, that's the letter P. Let's say the name of the letter together. P. Good job. Whoa! There's uppercase P. Wow! There's lowercase p. Now let's learn the sound that the letter P makes. The letter P makes this sound. Look at my lips as I say it. You try it. Good job. Now let's try it together. Excellent job.
Great job, adventurers! Today's top story was all about the letter P. It's popping with popcorn, parachutes, and endless possibilities. But wait, there's some breaking news. There's a storm on its way, so grab your umbrellas, raincoats, and your pilot's cap. Now let's check in with Mr. Justin for more on this powerful storm. Back to you, Dad.
Today, I'm a pilot, looking at the storm and I fly right through it. The snow covers my plane, do a quick spin and it falls right down. The thunder is so loud, won't scare me now, I won't turn around. The lightning is so bright, but when the storm's gone I see the best sight. Rainbows, red, orange, and yellow, green, blue, and indigo. Violet, I'm a pilot, flying through the rainbows, red, orange, and yellow, green, blue, and indigo. Violet, I'm a pilot, flying through the sky. The wind blowing so hard, pushing against me, I won't back down. Pitter patter, the gray clouds gather, the raindrops fall and down they splatter. Made it through to the other side, yes, I can see that the storm is gone. There's a rainbow in the sky, yes, I knew the storm wouldn't last long. Rainbows, red, orange, and yellow, green, blue, and indigo. Violet, I'm a pilot, flying through the rainbows, red, orange, and yellow, green, blue, and indigo. Violet, I'm a pilot, flying through the sky.
Yay, the Adventures of Atlas album is available now. Thank you for joining us today. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more learning and adventures with Atlas. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.